Welcome to a new video here at the workshop. My name is James. It's actually a big problem when you can't open your computer. You are trying to remember your password, but it doesn't work. You can reset your password and come up with a new one, but you didn't create a password reset flash drive. If you tried to remove the password in different ways, but nothing worked out for you and now you want to format your computer, that is, reset the PC to factory settings with the complete removal of personal files on drive C, then my video tutorial is just what you need. Do not worry, look carefully, repeat exactly after me, step by step, and we will succeed. And so, in order to reset the PC to factory settings, we first need to enter the System Restore program. To do this, on your keyboard, press and hold the Shift key, and then press, here, and restart your computer. The automatic System Restore program opens. Click here, Troubleshoot. Click, Reset this PC. In this window, there are two methods to reset the computer. If you click Keep My Files, as a result, your personal files will remain on the computer, as well as your account information, and the password will remain unchanged, and you will again not be able to enter Windows because you forgot your password. In order to remove all personal data and get your computer as if you just bought it in the store, you need to click Remove Everything. In this window, we see two options for downloading Windows files. Here you can choose to download Windows files from the cloud storage, but you should be aware that such a download uses 4 GB of data. Local reinstall downloads files located on the computer and does not use your internet traffic. And I click Local Reinstall. Here you can select Just Remove My Files, and your personal files will be removed and Windows will remain the same. I don't need to completely format the C drive that Windows is on, so I choose Just Remove My Files. The last step remains before starting the process. Here the program reminds you which settings you have chosen. If you want to change anything, click Cancel, and start the process from the beginning, but if you want to reset your computer and return it to factory settings, click Reset. I press Reset, and the process started. You don't have to do anything for a while. The computer will restart several times and the whole process will last about 1 hour or more. It depends on the power of your computer. Now you can relax and have a cup of coffee or tea. Please do not turn off your computer until the process is complete. The process of reinstalling Windows is completed and we have to make a few settings. If you have Windows 11, it will look a little different for you, but the essence of what is happening will be the same. Choose your region, yes. Now select the keyboard layout, yes. Skip. Here you need to accept the terms of the license. I will use the computer for personal use. Next. Here you can enter your Microsoft account information, or create a new Microsoft account and a new password for it. To get a local account, you need to click Offline Account. In this window, you need to enter the name of the local account. I will enter my name, James. Next. Here you can enter a password. I will do it later. Next. Here you can change some settings. I will do it later. The new Windows welcomes us. There is very little left. Yes, I managed. Hope everything went well for you too. I open Settings. And here we see that my computer is running a local account, the administrator name, James. Now let's see how the activation went, and for this you need to click Update and Security. Then click the tab, Activation. In this window, we see that I still have Windows 10 Pro, and my Windows is activated according to my digital license tied to my computer. I hope what I just said could help you, and if you found it helpful, please share my video with anyone. Write me a comment, I will answer all your questions and try to help you. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a nice day, everyone.